Hassan Nabeel and you're watching My Dream Journey. So guys, today I'm present at my homeland, my home country, Pakistan. So actually I came here after a long time, so I decided to explore village life here. Actually I'm itself very curious and excited to go to the village, so I decided to make a vlog for you. So let's start our today's vlog. So guys, the economy of Pakistan is purely based on agriculture. About 72% of the whole economy of Pakistan is based on the agriculture. I'm telling these facts and figures to you to elaborate the importance of village life in Pakistan. And you know, the most of the population in Pakistan mostly live in villages. Like more than 50% of population in Pakistan live in villages. And you know, there are multiple things which are very different here in village as compared to the other countries, like in Europe and the other countries you see the villages. But here in Pakistan you will definitely find some fresh vegetables, fresh milk, and one thing which is always very happy and positive about the villages here in Pakistan is the people are very welcoming, and the way they treat the guests is unbelievable. So guys, nowadays the tunnel farming trend is very popular here in Pakistan. As you can see in villages nowadays, this is the tunnel farming. You can see this plastic roof over the crops. Basically it is used for the off-season farming, like the off-season vegetables and the fruits. If you want to cultivate them off-season, then it is imperative for you to build a plastic roof in shape of tunnel. So that's why it is known as tunnel farming. Another project related to this farming is a greenhouse farming, where you can see the green curtains over the crops. So let's try to see what they have cultivated inside the tunnels. So guys, right now we are standing in the front of the tunnel, and I can see this is the crop of green chili, and I can see this land is covered with the plastic, and I really want to know why they have covered this land with plastic. So I would like to ask Imran, can you please tell us a bit more about this land and this tunnel farming?
The main purpose of this cover sheet and this soil is approximately all over the soil is covered with the plastic sheet. The main purpose is that to protect the soil from wasteful stems, leaves, etc., so that the field of the green chili fulfill their nourishment properly. You can see the whole tunnel properly.
And this is really an amazing way of cultivation, like by implementing the fast technology in the crops, like they have totally revolutionized the farming. And so guys, right now I'm standing in the potato crop. As I already told you, Pakistan is an agricultural country with fertile soil here, and I'm right now standing in Ukhara district, and you know, Ukhara district is the most fertile district ever in Pakistan. So the quality of potato and the corn here, you can't get this type of quality anywhere in the world. So right now I'm standing in the crop of potato, and I would like to ask Mr. Yawar Ali to tell us a bit about this crop and how the potatoes are being cultivated here. So guys, this is the green leaves of potato. So this is the soil, and below the soil you can find the fresh potatoes. Although it looks a bit dirty, but this is fresh potato. You have eaten fries and multiple things. If you love potato, then here you can find the fresh potatoes and the best quality potato ever in the world. So guys, you have seen this tractor and trolley while moving from this road. Actually, this is the transport by which the crops are being transported from this village to the main cities. This food is very tasty, delicious. This chicken is very juicy and tender. As you know, Pakistan is very rich in food, street food, and I can taste the real spices of Pakistan. So guys, finally I've entered in the dairy farm. You can see the buffaloes behind me. These buffaloes, this is the complete shed for the buffaloes. They also have some cattle. We will go inside and we will see how they've made this shed in specific way that they need minimum air and definitely light. So guys, right now I'm standing in the front of this hallway. Basically, this shed is divided into 2 parts. On my right side, this is a section for buffaloes, and on my left side, this is a shed for cattle. If you talk about this hallway, then this hallway is specifically made for feeding the animals, because this is a big shed, and they use this shed to take the feed and water towards the animals. And this is designed in a very specific way. You can see there are 2 different levels of roof. Basically, these 2 levels of roofs are the basic way to maintain the temperature and humidity inside the shed, which is optimum for the cattle. So guys, this is a machine which is used as a feed cutter, because they bring the raw feed from animals from the main crop field, and after passing through this machine, you can see this works as a shredder. Like you can see the tiny particles of the field, because in this way it is easy for animals to digest this feed, and important for the nourishment of the animals.
Salam.
So guys, there are basically 2 type of feed which is used for these animals here. One is the green feed, and second one is this dry feed. Basically, this is the waste of rice crop, and they are stored here because they give along with the green feed to the animals. Not only the waste from the rice crop, but the waste of wheat crop and the corn crop. They use all multiple type of the crops. They mix them with the green feed coming fresh from the land, and they intermix them all together, and they give them this as a feed to these animals. And they believe that this is the best way for the nourishment of the animals. So guys, right now I'm standing beside the tube well. It is considered as the most imperative part of the agriculture and farming, because it is used for the watering of crops. I have my companion with me, and I would like to ask him a bit about tube well. So Vahid bhai, क्या आप इस tube well के बारे में थोड़ा सा बताएंगे?
मीठा पानी होता है, और मीठे पानी से ये होता है कि फसल अच्छी होती है। खारे पानी से ज़मीन ख़राब हो जाती है। मीठे पानी से ज़मीन ठीक रहती है और ज़्यादा पैदावार और सलाहियत ज़्यादा ठीक है।
So guys, as Mr. Ved told us information about this, the importance of tube well, that the water from canal is also available in this land, but when the water from canal is not available, then tube well is the alternative to get the water for watering the crops. So this water is also quite equivalent to the water coming from the canal. So right now it's not working because this is winter time, and in winter the crops needs less water. So at the moment it is not working, but whenever you come in summer you will always find this working. So guys, behind me you see the mustard crop, and you know the importance of mustard. We eat mustard in multiple ways, like we use the rapeseed oil as a hair tonic, and we use mustard in by making of multiple dishes. So this is the beautiful yellow flowers and the green plants you can see behind me. This is the mustard, and I'm really enjoying this natural plants and this overall environment, because it looks very fresh and healthy, as well it's very healthy for us to breathe here, to take so I really want you to be here and enjoy this beautiful life, village life in Pakistan. So guys, this beautiful yellow flowers, just see the beauty, natural beauty at full glow. Right now I'm standing in the field of garlic. This is the garlic, it is cultivated here, although it's not ready, so I cannot show you at the moment, but this is the garlic. You can see this is the way how they have cultivated garlic here. And on the bench of this field, this is something very special. I really love to see this beet here. You have eaten multiple times salad and you have eaten this beet, but here you can see the fresh beet here. This is the fresh beet that you can eat here. So these are the advantages of living in villages here in Pakistan. So this is fresh peas here. This is the very fresh and healthy peas here. We are standing in the crop of peas. I really love to see this here. If you want to see the peas, this is a grain inside the peas. I don't know whether you can see it or not, but it's really very super delicious and very fresh vegetables here. So guys, finally we have reached at the bottom of our vlog. Thank you for watching our video. I will share my travel vlog from Zurich to Istanbul and from Istanbul to Lahore soon. So thank you for watching my dream journey and keep supporting my dream. Thank you.